We are happy to have taken part on this very big event on Data Tamasha for year 2021. So dLab is our partner, but also we found the need to participate as sponsors to this event. These 3 days have been very insightful and eventful days, in the sense we as participants were able to learn about data, but also we participated from our perspective as civil society organizations. So we looked at how best can we unpack these big jargons, data, digital economy, in our own perspective as civil society organization, but also sharing experience about how can we make best use of data in our daily activities, as well as pushing development agenda in Tanzania. So I would like to advise dLab, but also my fellow practitioners in the civil society organizations. Data provides a big opportunity for us to engage government, to engage among ourselves, but also to do things and our work in a very scientific way if we are about to bring about reforms in governance or in the service delivery where most of us are working. So this is a massive opportunity, and I argue again for all of us to take advantage of forums like this and the many other forums that are going to come in future, so that we really learn, but also use the opportunity to unlearn and take advantage of the opportunities that are there in data and digital economy.